Hello, my name is Andreas Kühn, and in this video I like to show you the Epson ELPEC 1. The ELPEC 1 system is a camera alignment system for some of the Epson professional beamers, and it is a small box, a small camera unit with two lenses on it, so you can make color alignment, stacking alignment and blending alignment out of the box. Therefore, you don't need any software. The professional software is a little bit difficult, and so, but you don't need it with this beamer. And what's happened if we start our alignment, I'll show in this video. So I switch the lights off that you can maybe see what's happening. So in the menu, you go to Advanced, go to Color Alignment, press Auto Adjustment Start, and now I show it without speed up, and so you can see how long it takes and what's happening there. And even with this environment illumination, the ambient light, it's no problem for the system to align perfect skin tones, perfect black levels, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And you can save a lot of presets for complete darkness, for other environments. So it's finished. Yeah. Don't look at the clock, but it's, I think, 3 to 5 minutes. That's all. Thanks for watching this video.